you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in CS2, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow this guide to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for CS2. Check the game's official website for the latest specifications and compare them with your hardware. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause loading issues. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your GPU. Install them and restart your computer. Step 3. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can lead to loading problems. Open your game client Steam, for example. Go to your library, right-click on CS2, select Properties, then navigate to the Local Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for and repair any corrupted files. Step 4. Disable background applications. Some background applications can interfere with the game. Close unnecessary programs running in the background, especially those that use significant CPU or RAM resources such as web browsers, streaming software, or other games. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and reinstalling CS2. This can resolve deeper issues that may not be fixed by verifying game files. Make sure to back up any important data before proceeding with the uninstallation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue in CS2. If problems continue, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance. Happy gaming!